In today's episode of the Home Chef's Kitchen, we're going to make no-bake pumpkin spice Shakeology squares, a healthy dessert option just in time for the holidays with only 200 calories per square. Let's see how they're made. Today we are going to make a no-bake pumpkin spice Shakeology square. Super simple, super quick, super easy. Take a look. You're gonna love this dessert. All right, the ingredients you're gonna need for this is very, very simple. There is one product though you would need to buy if you want to make this exact recipe. But we're gonna use some chopped pecans. We also have some toasted, shredded coconuts already toasted for us, which is really, really great. Okay, we're also gonna use a little bit of fig jam for the crust, to flavor it up real good, get it some nice and sweet. We are going to use coconut oil, and the coconut oil is going to be to coat our pan so that it's non-stick. We are also going to use coconut milk. Okay, coconut milk here. It's going to be the light kind. We also have some pure pumpkin puree, and then the product that I'm going to use for this is called, this is a limited time offering, it's called Pumpkin Spice Shakeology. Now at the end of this video, I'm going to give you an opportunity to buy 3 of these. I'm going to send you a link to a special site to where you can buy a pack of 3 of these directly from me. 2 would be for your recipe if you want to make this recipe, and 1 would be for you to drink it because it's really awesome. This stuff tastes great. This is a limited time offering. There's very, very little bit. I think I'm going to have about 6 packages, 6 of the 3 packs for sale that you can get right away. I'll also provide some information where you can get the limited time offering. I don't know if they're sold out yet. They could be sold out pretty soon, but they have the 14 count boxes. If you really like it and you want to get some after that, you will be able to grab some. And then also we're going to use some unflavored gelatin so that it binds together, it kind of sticks together. And we have some water, half a cup of water too as well. So let's get started. Now that we have our pecans, our shredded coconut, our fig jam, and our coconut oil in the food processor, we're going to go ahead, and it tells us to process until well blended. So let's take it out, check it out here. Have it. So I'm going to take a little bit of this coconut oil and I'm going to make the pan non-stick. All right, next we're going to take our crust. This is the crust. Take 1.5 cups of light coconut milk into a saucepan. So we're going to put that in the saucepan. 1/2 cup of water in the same saucepan. Of gelatin. We're going to add that straight in here. filling into the crust, and it tells us to refrigerate it for at least 3 to 4 hours or overnight, and it'll be good to go. Oh, it smells so good. 'Tis the time of year for pumpkin spice. You're not gonna see me lick the bowl. Hey, so I just got home from work. As you can see, I'm wearing a different shirt, and the 8x8 pan, I just cut them into 9 squares, so 3x3, and you get 9 out, but just wanted to see what they taste like. Oh, that crust. Look at that. Let's see. 200 calories a bar. Can't beat that, huh? So I hope you're having a wonderful rest of the day. I'm gonna enjoy this. Have a good one.